In this video, you will learn how to insert quickly canned responses using SwiftReply. First, install SwiftReply extension, and then create an account on SwiftReply. After you log in, please head over to General Settings and insert both hotkeys for Insert Keyboard Shortcut and List Keyboard Shortcut. Save changes and we are ready to create our first canned response template. Click on New Template. You have to write template name, template shortcut, your template content. You can add multiple tags which are useful for filtering and categorizing your templates. Now save your canned response template and head over to any app or website you want to use your canned response. SwiftReply works everywhere you do. No integration is required. Click on the extension icon to open. Then choose the right workspace. We have two ways to insert any canned response. First, using keyboard completion. Write template shortcut, then click on your insert keyboard shortcut that you used on the settings. Awesome. Second, sometimes you can't remember all your template's shortcuts. No problem. Click on your list keyboard shortcut that you used on the settings, then insert the template directly from the list with one click. Great. That's all you need to get started and you are ready to supercharge your productivity. Get started for free. Personal workspace and shared workspaces are very similar, with a few important differences. In general, a personal workspace can't be shared, so it's a great way to hide any personal canned responses. But shared workspaces are a great option if you want to give more collaboration options to your team. Let's create a new workspace. Just head over to the Workspaces drop-down and click the New Workspace button. Let's name the workspace Support. Save the workspace and we are ready to go. Now let's add a few members. Just click the Add Member icon to open the Team Members modal. You can add unlimited team members to each workspace. Alright, let's say you want to transfer thank you template from personal workspace to support workspace. Easy. Just open the template by clicking the shortcut of the template. Under the workspace dropdown, you can see all workspaces. Just select Support, then save changes. Now head over to Support Workspace and you can see that thank you template is transferred. Okay, some points you should know about shared workspaces. You are the owner of all canned responses in all workspaces. Only you can edit all canned responses. Only you can add or remove unlimited members. Anyone can add canned responses to shared workspaces. Awesome. That's all you need to know. You are ready to supercharge your entire team's productivity. Get started for free.
SwiftReply is an all-in-one solution for a whole team to boost their productivity, improve customer interaction and to close more deals. We stand above the competitors because we allow users to create, customize, organize and insert canned responses in the same place they write with one click. No need to open any software to copy any content. No integrations is required. It works everywhere. When the users land in SwiftReply dashboard, the first thing they see is all their canned responses in their personal workspace. Users can sort templates or use tags for filtering and categorizing templates. User can create new template and add multiple images or embed videos. No storage limits. After selecting the image, the user can resize it before adding it. He can customize templates by a powerful rich text editor with advanced formatting, colors, links, and many other features. Next is my best 3 core features. Feature 1. Users can keep their templates organized by theme or topic by creating multiple workspaces, then quickly share and sync their workspaces with everyone on their team. Team leader can grant different permissions depending on the roles. Feature 2. Users can insert any canned response from any workspace with one click using auto-completion. But users sometimes can't remember the correct shortcut. So unlike competitors, in SwiftReply they can use hotkey to launch in the same text input a searchable directory of every canned response at any time. It works in Slack, Twitter, HubSpot. It works everywhere. Feature 3. Smart placeholders and variables. This is the best way to create unique canned responses for each customer, without spending hours customizing every single detail. There are 3 types of variables: custom variables, input variables, data and time variables. And unlike competitors, users can even customize the style of their variables. Unlike competitors, if SwiftReply extension detects any variables, it will show a pop-up at the same place. The user fills in or selects his answer and SwiftReply automatically will replace all variables.